Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, very good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Good afternoon. We have a delicious recipe. One of my favorite dishes of all time to eat.
Yes, I think this is one of your favorite one.
Oh yes.
And I think every times when we visiting California, we are eating that.
Yes. Yoshinoya, the beef bowl place. Oh, love that place. That's what we're talking
So
about.
let's go to Gyudon.
This is what the package looks like. It's roughly about $7 a pound. Here it's just under a pound, and it goes for $5.59. This one is actually a little bit more, costs $1 more, but look how much meat you get. Probably close to just under a pound here, because again it was like $6.50. But it's labeled as hot pot sliced beef with fat. And of course the fat gives us the flavor. You guys must try this at home if you can find any of this hot pot beef. Okay, Hiro-san, I just can't wait to see it. I'm going to try and make this at home once.
Yeah,
you teach
very
me.
easy to make this one. Here's the main ingredients: sliced beef,
Okay.
and the onion, and ginger, and scallion. And the soup side, this is Ichiban dashi, so which we made before the recipe from dashi kobu and bonito flake and strain out.
Okay.
This is it. So here is about to the 500 cc,
Okay.
and here. And I'm gonna use the soy sauce and the mirin, sake, a little bit of salt, and then the sugar.
Okay.
So basically all ingredients are put in together.
Okay.
That's it.
And that's it, huh? Wow, so simple here.
Very simple, very easy.
Okay.
So let's try it. First I'm gonna cut the onions.
Okay. And white onion is
White
yellow onion.
onion, yellow onion.
How about red onion?
That's fine. Red onion, I just only think, I don't know, red onion even you can cook, of course you can cook, but color-wise, I don't like much red onion
Okay.
For cooking. Or like a tataki or something for the eat by raw or
Yeah.
salad,
Yeah.
nice color. But after you put the heat it up, kind of losing the color. It's not too appetite to me.
Okay.
But everybody different opinion, so
Yeah.
of course you can use that. Like that.
Okay.
Okay, let's start to cooking together. I'm gonna put the dashi here, soup. Okay, next step is going to be put in the onion.
Okay.
Can put a little bit more. You can almost put it at the same. Onion was a little bit bigger, so
Yeah.
okay. Then wait until start boiling.
Okay.
I'm gonna start to put the meat.
Okay. Like, does it matter what temperature the beef is cooked at? Doesn't matter. It's going to be cooked well done. Or
Yes, cook well done.
Okay. And obviously, there's so much fat around the beef that it's going to help tenderize it and be very soft. And what kind of part of this cow does it come from here? Do you know?
This one was a part was on the label.
It wasn't, right? It just says hot pot beef with fat. I mean, sure, it's not the best cut, but it's got some fat in there. And you just stir it, and as you cook it.
Yes, let's still cook it.
Okay.
And after that, I'm gonna put the ingredients. I mean the soy sauce.
Okay.
Soy sauce, mirin, sake, and then sugar, and a little bit of salt. Do a little bit of slow down. Then I'm gonna put in the ginger.
Okay.
Okay, so after 15 to 20 minutes, actually, this is you can see the soup is gonna be start to reduce, and then this is actually ready to eat already.
Right. It looks so good.
Yeah, and but best way is always this kind of dish. After you stop the heat, making cooling down once, then reheat it up. That's more nice.
And how long do you leave it cool down for?
Cooling down, sometimes you just do the overnight and next day is perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. Next day is always, we call it nimono. I don't know how call it in English. Not like a stew, like a kind of confit or something.
Okay.
Those kind of dish, once you make it cooling down and reheat, next day is always good.
Okay.
Good flavor, more strong flavor. So, but today is when I do right away.
Yes, I don't think you can wait till tomorrow, Hiro.
The steam rice is ready.
Okay.
I grab the steam rice in here, then I put these things over the rice.
Freshly steamed white rice. Oh.
Yes. First, I'm gonna grab some beef.
Oh my goodness, I know I can eat a lot of this. At least a couple of bowls of this, Hiro.
Yeah, that's nice. Like that. And put a little bit of soup.
What a dish.
And a little bit of fresh scallion.
And these have been washed.
Yeah, this is all washed already.
I believe we have to mention that every time because
That's it.
some of you
Simple.
comment and saying scallions aren't washed.
Yeah, and if you want to, you can put a little bit of ichimi on the top.
Nice. I would do that.
That's it.
Hiro, thank you so
Hi,
much.
thank you very much.
What a beautiful dish. I can't wait to try it myself. If you guys can make this at home, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for spending some time here. See you very soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And another beautiful tasting part, Hiro-san. Are you ready?
Yes, I go with the spoon
Okay,
for this one.
enjoy. Looks so good. I cannot wait to try this.
Nice.
How's it?
Beef is not bad.
Is it as tender as you think? As you wanted?
I thought maybe beef would get more tough,
Yeah,
but it's pretty soft.
nice.
It's good.
Very, very good. I can't wait to try it. Well, Hiro, thank you so much
Thank you
again.
very much.